1. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price: $20,000. Located DeWitt, Iowa, United States. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a purpose-built classic American drag car that delivers raw performance with a clean and aggressive presentation. Finished in a deep black exterior paired with a matching black interior, this Nova carries a timeless muscle car appearance while hiding serious race-ready hardware underneath. The vehicle shows only 500 miles driven since its current build, reflecting limited use and careful ownership. Power comes from a strong 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine, built specifically for drag racing applications and paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake for hard launches and consistent runs. The rear end features a proven 9-inch setup with ladder bars, designed to handle high horsepower and provide stability under acceleration. Weight reduction was a priority, as seen with the fiberglass front end, fiberglass doors, and fiberglass deck lid, allowing the car to remain competitive at the track. This Nova has already demonstrated its capabilities by running an impressive 6.26 seconds at 108 miles per hour, confirming its effectiveness as a serious drag machine. Offered as a true turnkey package, this car is ready to race without the need for additional investment or setup. It is fully paid off, clearly owned, and presented with a firm sales stance. No trades are considered, making this an ideal opportunity for buyers seeking a straightforward, competitive, and proven classic drag car with strong performance credentials. 2. 2002 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. Price: $20,000. Located Chillicothe, Ohio, United States. This 2002 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe is a dedicated race chassis offered as a roller, making it an excellent foundation for a serious drag racing build. Finished in a striking purple exterior, this Camaro has been part of long-term family racing and reflects years of thoughtful development and quality components. The car has only 300 miles of use in its current configuration and has proven itself as a very consistent performer in the 6-second range in the 8th mile. The vehicle is currently set up for a small block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission, though it is being sold without the motor and transmission, allowing the next owner flexibility in final powertrain selection. It features a strong 4-link rear suspension, a 9-inch rear end, and strange double adjustable struts for precise suspension tuning. Braking is handled by Wilwood components, and safety is addressed with a certified 8.50 roll cage. Additional highlights include an aftermarket K-member, Lexan front window, 10-gallon fuel cell, 16-volt electrical system, and billet specialties components throughout. Built with no expense spared, this Camaro is lightweight, proven, and ready for competitive use once completed, making it ideal for racers seeking a reliable and well-sorted platform. 3. 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Race Car. Price: $17,000. Located Markleeville, Indiana, United States. This 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo race car is a competitive street stock build designed for serious track use and upcoming race seasons. Finished in a bold purple exterior with a contrasting white interior, this car stands out while offering proven performance and durability. With 111,111 miles on the chassis and 2-owner history, it has been carefully maintained and continuously improved for racing applications. Power comes from a strong 377 cubic inch engine built by Goober Stanley, featuring Mahle flat-top pistons, Eagle rotating assembly, a 4,340 forged crank, and H-beam rods. The engine is topped with dart heads, stainless valves, a Clay Smith flat tappet cam, and a high-rise air gap intake. Power is transferred through a Tex 4-speed transmission and new clutch to a 9-inch floater rear end. The suspension includes a 1970 to 1972 Camaro front clip, tubular upper arms, and all-star front and rear bumper bars. Additional equipment includes MSD ignition, new belts, multiple third-member gear options, extra wheels, shocks, headers, and spare parts. The car is CRA legal, race-ready, and represents exceptional value with included extras that would be costly to duplicate. 4. 1983 Ford Mustang. Price: $26,000. Located Richmond, Kentucky, United States. This 1983 Ford Mustang is a street and strip drag car built with performance and reliability in mind, while remaining licensed and insured for street use. Finished in a bright red exterior, this Mustang has 91,000 miles and a two-owner history, reflecting careful ownership and investment. The car has never been raced competitively, making it a fresh opportunity for a new owner. Under the hood is a built 5.3-liter engine paired with a large 88mm turbocharger, producing strong power and tuned to run on E85 fuel. Power is managed through an FTI-built turbo 400 automatic transmission. The chassis is upgraded with a tubular front end, aftermarket K-member, QA1 shocks, strange axles, and a 5-lug conversion for added strength. Additional race features include a trans brake, line lock, roll cage, harness, and strange rear components. Designed to be track-ready, this Mustang is fully sorted and prepared to run with minimal adjustment. With significant money invested and low use, it represents a strong balance of street legality and drag strip capability. 5. 1968 Ford Mustang Pro Street. Price: $32,500. Located Creston, Ohio, United States. This 1968 Ford Mustang is a professionally built Pro Street machine that combines classic muscle car styling with modern forced induction performance. Finished with a clean and aggressive appearance, this Mustang is presented in used but like new condition and has been carefully assembled for high horsepower street and strip use. At the heart of the build is a fuel-injected 347 cubic inch stroker engine, engineered for strong throttle response and durability under boost. Power is enhanced by a twin Garrett turbocharger setup, delivering impressive acceleration and making this car a serious contender in any Pro Street environment. The drivetrain is supported by a Pro Fab 9-inch rear end, designed to handle significant power while maintaining reliability. The chassis and suspension components are set up for stability and traction, allowing the car to perform confidently both on the street and at the track. This Mustang is best suited for enthusiasts looking for a trade opportunity, particularly involving newer Mustangs, Broncos, F100 trucks, classic Mustangs, or other muscle cars and trucks. The car represents a unique blend of classic design and modern performance engineering, offering a standout presence and serious power potential for its next owner. 6. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Top Sportsman Race Car. Price: $60,000. Located Fulton, Illinois, United States. This 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is a historic and professionally built top sportsman race car, originally constructed as a Chuck Peterson Pro Mod. Designed for extreme performance without a six-figure price tag, this Chevelle is fully race-ready and presented in excellent condition. It rides on a Jerry House-built chassis that has been updated by Skinny Kid race cars and carries a current 6.0 chassis certification. The all-fiberglass body helps keep weight low, while the Mark Williams 9.5-inch full-floating rear end with 4.56 gears ensures strength and consistency. Power comes from a massive 706 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine built on a Dart Pro Series block with Big Chief heads, dry sump oiling, twin quick fuel carburetors, and multiple nitrous systems. This combination has produced a 4.62-second pass at 160 miles per hour in the 8th mile. Additional highlights include a Powerglide transmission rated for extreme horsepower, dual parachutes, beadlock wheels, racepack dash, updated safety systems, and extensive spare parts. This is a proven, turnkey race car with documented performance and serious pedigree. 7. 1981 AMC Spirit. Price: $15,000. Located Huntington, Tennessee, United States. This 1981 AMC Spirit is a unique street or strip build that stands out from typical race platforms, offering lightweight construction and impressive power potential. Presented in good used condition, this Spirit has been developed as a competitive drag-oriented vehicle while retaining flexibility for future customization. Under the hood is a powerful 390 cubic inch AMC engine producing over 500 horsepower, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a high-stall 9-inch converter. The rear end features a strong 9-inch assembly, while traction is aided by wide 325 drag radials neatly tucked under the body. Suspension upgrades include a Caltrac setup on the left rear spring to improve launch consistency. The chassis configuration allows this car to be competitive on the strip while remaining manageable for occasional street use. Notably, this vehicle is also available without the engine, offering an alternative option for buyers who prefer to install their own power plant. With its uncommon platform, solid drivetrain components, and strong performance focus, this AMC Spirit is an excellent choice for racers seeking something different from the usual muscle car offerings. 8. 1971 Buick Opel Tube Chassis Race Car. Price: $14,000. Located Port Byron, Illinois, United States. This 1971 Buick Opel is a lightweight tube chassis race car built strictly for competition and designed to deliver strong performance with minimal weight. Presented in used but like new condition, this car is not currently street legal, making it an ideal choice for dedicated racers preparing for the upcoming season. The chassis configuration emphasizes simplicity, strength, and ease of maintenance, allowing the car to be competitive without unnecessary complexity. The vehicle is equipped with 4 brand-new racing tires and is offered as a turnkey package, meaning it is ready to compete without additional major investment. Its lightweight construction provides excellent acceleration potential and makes it well suited for drag racing applications where consistency and weight balance are critical. The seller confirms that a valid title is included, offering added value and flexibility for future plans. This Buick Opel has been prepared with racing in mind and is positioned as an affordable entry into tube chassis competition. With its clean condition, simple setup, and ready-to-run status, it represents a solid opportunity for racers seeking a lightweight platform that can be quickly put to use on race day. 9. 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Pure Stock Street Stock. Price: $7,300. Located North Chicago, Illinois, United States. This 1974 Chevrolet Malibu is a pure stock and street stock race car offered in new condition and prepared as a turnkey package. Designed for competitive racing, this Malibu is ready to hit the track with minimal setup required. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch race engine built by TA Racing, featuring only a handful of laps since completion, ensuring freshness and reliability. The drivetrain includes a TCI Powerglide transmission, a proven combination for consistent performance in stock-style racing classes. While the car is fully prepared to compete, it is noted that a power steering pump is not included, allowing the next owner to complete final details according to preference. Several extra parts are included with the sale, adding value and convenience for ongoing maintenance or future upgrades. This Malibu represents an affordable and competitive option for racers looking to enter pure stock or street stock classes. With its fresh drivetrain, ready-to-race configuration, and included extras, it offers excellent value for a classic Chevrolet platform with strong aftermarket support. 10. 1991 Ford Mustang LX Drag Car. Price: $14,000. Located Piqua, Ohio, United States. This 1991 Ford Mustang LX is a street-legal drag car built for serious performance while retaining everyday usability. Finished in a purple exterior with a tan interior, this Mustang has only 2,000 miles on its current build and holds a clean title with no known issues. The car is fully paid off and ready for immediate ownership transfer. Under the hood is a 351 Windsor engine board and stroked to 408 cubic inches, supported by a 200-shot nitrous system using a ZX plate kit with an independent fuel system. Power is delivered through a built C4 automatic transmission with a trans brake, while the rear features a built 8.8 housing with 4.10 gears and a full spool. Additional upgrades include a full roll cage, line lock, tubular K-member, strange coilovers, adjustable rear control arms, and competition engineering shocks. Recently refreshed with new head gaskets, this Mustang is turnkey and race-ready, offering strong performance, street legality, and excellent overall value.